Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Ani back with another video, and today we're going to be doing cute little cut crease. So we start with priming my eyes with some Milani, taking a little brown shadow from my big box of 64 shades by the crayon case. Just going to go ahead and put that in the crease with a fluffy brush. Almost forgot to conceal under my eyebrows, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now I'm going to take this red violet color and go right over that brown and a little bit of this fuchsia pink and blend that out just a little bit with my fluffy brush. Now I'm going to take the soft rose pink and just buff the lines out between the highlight under the eyebrow and where the color meets. Now I'm going to take the shimmery gold and put that right up under my eyebrows for a nice highlight. Now I'm going to take this NYX white cream pencil and just go ahead and put that on the base of my eyelid. This is going to help me with the cut crease. I haven't done this in a while, y'all, so bear with me. It's not going to be the perfectest, but we gonna try. Alright, now that that is about done, I'm going to go ahead and put this very shiny white glittery powder on top. Go ahead and add some glitter adhesive on top of that. Now I'm going to take this gold sparkle and pat that right on top, about center to the outside of my lid. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this white opal-like glitter to the inside of my eyelid, and a little bit more of that dark purple red to the corners. Now, using this Ruby Kiss liquid liner, I'm going to go ahead and put a cat line right above my eyelash line. Okie dokie, so now that's done, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. Now let's go ahead and prime for foundation. Using CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made, I'm going to go ahead and blend the center of my face. Go ahead and add my color corrector under my eyes and blend. Now using that same brand in a darker color, I'm going to blend out the outside of my face and right into that lighter color in the center. Go ahead and conceal underneath my eyes. Blend, blend, blend. Contour that nose. Blend some more. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this black ochre powder and bake all in my lighter areas. Then using this CoverGirl loose powders, I'm going to blend all that in. Using this liquid radiance, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my nose, my bridge, and my cheekbones. Now it's time for lashes and a little blush. I decided to take that opal glitter and apply it right up under my lower lash line and hit my lower lashes with some stiletto lash and some brown liner. And voila! What do you guys think? I'm loving it. It's giving real princess vibes. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I appreciate you. Mwah.